Hello and welcome. So in today's video, what we want to do is we want to learn how to create our own template using the Elementor Page Builder in WordPress. So if you're interested, let's get started. Here we have google.com and we actually want to change that to our website, splotivity.com. And then I'm going to open up another window and go to the splotivity.com WP admin. Once we arrive on our home page, you'll notice that we have two pages. We have home and contact. And if we click contact, this is what the page currently looks like. Now in a previous video, what we did is we used an existing template from elementor.com and we inserted that into our site. So we created a page and we went to add new. We created a page like contact us, publish. If you've watched any of our earlier videos, this may be quite familiar, this process. And then we go to edit with Elementor. What happens is if we want to use an existing template, we click this folder icon here. It pops up and we search something like contact. So I think we chose this one. And if you go to insert, you end up getting something like this, which we rather liked. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to remove all of these items, which we can either do by right clicking and hitting delete, or just scrolling over and hitting the X. What we want to do is we want to create our own template. So in order to do that, we go to the page that from which we want to create a template, in our case, our contact page, and you're going to go to edit with Elementor. Once the page loads and there are no more changes that you want to make, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down here where it says save options. You're going to click the little icon and you're going to go to save as template. So we could call it Splotivity contact template. Then you hit save. And a new template will load in the section called My Templates. And so we have that name. Now what can we do if we want to use that template? So we can go to our page, we're going to reload this page. Then rather than inserting a regular page like we did here, we're going to go to the section that says My Templates. And you're going to select the template that you want to insert. And then you click this green button which says Insert. And you can hit yes. And it should have the same appearance as our original page, our original template. The last thing that we want to do in this case is click this green button which says update, and that will save our changes. So now when we go to splotivity.com, and then we should have a second page which is -contact us. It should load our template. So in this video, what we wanted to do is we wanted to take our contact page and create a template, which we did by clicking this icon here, going to save as templates. We entered a template name. We hit save. It saved it in our library. Then we went to the page where we wanted to go and we inserted that into the page. So if you have any comments or questions, please add them in the comments section below. Otherwise, join us for our next video and we'll see you again soon. Cheers.